Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to export Trello boards. Whether you're managing a small team or a large project, exporting your boards can serve as a backup, allow you to share details with stakeholders, or keep important information offline. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your Trello boards quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once there, log in using your preferred method. You can use your email and password, or take advantage of single sign-on options like Google or Microsoft accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Next, locate the board you want to export. If you have multiple boards for different projects, make sure you select the correct one. Click to open it and focus on the top right corner where you'll see the ellipsis or three-dot menu. This menu contains all the options you'll need to manage your board. Click on the ellipsis and look for the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. Once you select this, you'll see several choices. You can copy a link to share your board, print its content, export to CSV, export as JSON, or even generate a QR code for quick access on mobile devices. Each option serves a different purpose. Exporting to CSV is ideal if you want a table format that you can open in Excel or similar programs. Exporting as JSON is perfect for developers, or if you need the raw data from your board. Take a moment to decide which format works best for your needs, then click to start the export. Depending on your board size, this might take a few moments. Once the export is complete, you'll have a full snapshot of your board saved on your device. This ensures all your project data is safe and accessible, even if you need to work offline or share it with others, and that's it. You now know how to export Trello boards effectively. It's a simple process that gives you peace of mind, knowing your project data is secure and always within reach. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.